why your website isn't ranking in search. If your website isn't showing up on Google, it's not because the algorithm hates you. There's always a reason, and in most cases, it comes down to a few common mistakes. Fix these and you're already ahead of half of your competition. The first problem might be because your keywords are off. A lot of websites fail before they're even getting started because they're targeting the wrong keywords. Either they go too broad, competing with giants that they'll never overrank, or they're too niche and there's just no one searching for those terms. The fix to this? Well, stop guessing. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner or the Wix SEO Assistant to find keywords that people actually search for but aren't impossible to rank for. Long tail keywords, which are phrases with 3 words or more, are usually the sweet spot here. But even if your content and keywords are on point, technical issues can quite literally kill your rankings. A messy site structure, broken links, or missing security features like SSL can all hurt your chances with Google. Make sure your URLs are clean and readable, avoid duplicate content, and check that all of your internal links actually work. If Google struggles to crawl your site, then it's not gonna rank. Security is another big one. If your site doesn't have HTTPS, then Google pushes it down. If you're on Wix, then this is already covered, but if not, then make sure that your site is secure and easy for search engines to navigate. The next problem is your content might not be helping anyone. Google's main job is to serve users the best possible answers to their many questions. So if your content is outdated, shallow, or just there to fill space, then Google isn't going to rank it because it's not useful. Take a look at the pages that are ranking for your target keywords. What are they doing better? Are they answering the questions more directly, using more data, examples, or visuals? Your job is to outdo your competition, not just copy them. The next problem might be that nobody is talking about your site. Backlinks, aka links from other websites to yours, are like upvotes on Google's ranking system. If no one is linking to your content, then Google assumes that it's not worth ranking in the first place. Now, don't just go spam links everywhere, as this can be counterproductive. Guest posts, collaborations, or even creating content that naturally gets shared, like unique research or even guides, can all boost your authority quickly. Most of these issues aren't hard to fix, you just need to know what's holding you back. And if you're using Wix, then you already have built-in tools to handle keywords, speed, mobile optimization, and SEO-friendly content. SEO is pretty simple if you can just get the basics right. Forget the hacks or shortcuts or whatever that guru on YouTube is trying to sell you. Ranking on Google is about giving Google, and therefore the reader, exactly what it wants. And what does Google want? Well, a fast, user-friendly site with useful content and legit backlinks. That's it. If you get those things right, you will rank higher over time. Now, if all of this sounds overwhelming, then here's the good news. Wix handles most of this for you, and you don't need to mess with coding or SEO plugins. Keyword targeting, well, Wix's SEO Whiz helps you find the right ones. Page optimization, well, you can edit titles, tags, meta descriptions, and headers in seconds. Site speed and mobile friendliness, well, again, Wix does that automatically. SSL security, built in, no setup needed. You don't have to be an SEO expert, just the right tools for the job. Let's take a quick look at Wix's SEO dashboard. Here you can customize every key SEO setting from titles, tags, meta descriptions, structured data, all in one place. No coding, no extra plugins, just a few clicks and you're optimized. That's why if you're using Wix, you already have a major head start over most website owners. So if you've been struggling to rank and search, then now you know what to fix, and if you're already using Wix, then you're already ahead of the game. But now I want to hear from you. What do you think is the most important factor for ranking on Google? Is it keywords, site speed, backlinks? Drop us a comment down below and let's talk. And if you're ready to take control of your SEO, then check out Wix using the link down in the description. It's got all of the best tools that you need to get your site ranking faster. And if you want more tips on SEO and digital marketing, then check out our other videos. We've got plenty more to help you grow your website. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.